Let me do this. Oops, I have to do it this way. Olivia and I are doing an experiment. Have you ever wondered if the light really turns off on the inside of your refrigerator? Well, Olivia told me how to tell. Would you tell us how to do that?
You put your phone on the inside of the refrigerator, then shut the door and open it in a few seconds.
I thought that was a brilliant idea. We're going to try it. Should we do it right now?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. We're going to the refrigerator. Well, the lights are on. I'm going to put this, where are we going to put this?
In the refrigerator.
All right, here it goes. And we're going to shut the door. Now we're going to check our experiment.
Pause.
Okay,